Hello, Samawa. This is my first month in Samawa project. Wala pa na bago. Yan lang, kakunti pa. Kailangan matapos yan end of this year. Yung bachelor building na yan. Dahil lilipat daw kami dyan. Ayan, walang pagbabago. After 1 month. Super bagal. Bachelor building at saka itong kitchen. Ay pa isa, yung administration. Kailangan matapos this end of the year para malipatan. Yun lang, update ngayon dito.